Okay, so Damon here again with another install and review. This time I've got the dash cam. It's the NexC1 by SCOSCHE and Nexar. I believe this is the smallest and least expensive dash cam you can get through Nexar. It's made by SCOSCHE, so it's got the suction cup mount to mount it on the windshield. So let's get into it. Once you've got it open, I've got the camera here, and it's got an adapter if you want to use one of your cigarette outlets. And this camera only comes with the 16 gigabyte memory card. And you've got your mount, the built-in cable. What I also did was I found out Dongar Technologies makes a adapter so you can plug it into your rearview mirror and get power from the auto dimming mirror. So it'll plug in one side, the mirror will plug back into here, and then your USB will plug into here. Now, one downside to this is the cable is built into the suction mount, so can't really take it out and use a shorter cable. This was meant to be routed around to wherever your cigarette lighter may be. So I'll probably leave this bundled up and try to tuck it behind the mirror up there. So some things about this camera is it will start recording once you start driving. Start up the car, it automatically starts recording. It connects to your phone and will record your GPS route. And then you also have this touchpad on the back. So if there's something happens and you want that specific event saved, you can just touch the back. Then you do get free cloud storage, which if you have it set up to connect to your phone, every time it connects to Wi-Fi, it will upload to the cloud. And from what I see, it's supposed to be saved there forever, which the memory card will save the video, but I think they said the 16 gigabyte will probably hold up to 4 hours of video. So if you want to permanently save anything, you want to definitely make a clip and save it to your phone or your laptop or computer. Alright, to install this adapter, all you gotta do is push down the tab that's up top here and pull this cable out. And then you'll take the adapter harness, slide that in, and take the other end, slide it back into the mirror. Alright, so one thing they provided was some wet wipes so you can clean the area you want to place your suction mount. I've got the camera plugged into the suction cup. I'm just going to place it up here. And just like that, the camera is mounted. You can plug it in. And you're all set to go. I'll just to figure out a way to tuck that harness up there. So if you have an electric mirror, like an auto dimming mirror, Dongar Technologies makes all kinds of adapters for different vehicles. So it's worth looking into, make installing dash cam a lot easier. But just in case you don't, they do provide you with the little type of trim remover, some rubber like cable ties, and some clips so you can run your cable along your windshield wherever you need it to. And they also supply you with some zip ties. Anything, that should be everything you would need to run it down to an auxiliary port. Now you just go on your phone, download the app, and follow the instructions. You'll create an account and it'll show you how to connect to your camera. Once you're set up, this will be your main screen where you can see your saved clips, where you can go through and see your complete drives. It'll record as soon as you get in the car if you have it set up to do that. And then here you can, this is where you edit and save certain clips from your drives. All of these videos also will be uploaded to Nexar's cloud, which you have to log into on the Nexar website, and then they're only saved as time lapses on there. So if you have anything you want to save, you gotta do it before it gets deleted. But here are a few of the options they give you that you can play around with. That's how the camera looks once it's all set up, sitting from the driver's seat. Here are some of the clips I saved, so you can see the clarity of the camera in different conditions. And like I said before, everything will be saved to the cloud once your phone connects to a Wi-Fi source. But from what I've seen, it only saves it as a time lapse, so it's not a full slow video. Overall, I am impressed with this camera for under $70. I think I got it on their Labor Day sale for about $60. But I'll let a few clips roll, and if you like this video, if you can like and subscribe to my channel, I'll definitely be uploading more.